Okay, today we're making a vegetarian lasagna. So to do this, we have our lasagna sheets. We have tomato sauce, some assorted vegetables, cheese, and ricotta. So we're going to start off by adding a layer of tomato sauce to the bottom of the tray here. And then we're going to add our lasagna sheets to that. In this case, we're not using a full pan, so we're going to break them in half or break them in pieces just to fill that up here. And we are using oven ready lasagna sheets, so we don't have to boil them first. We're just going to put them straight in there. So we'll layer with the pasta and then put another light coat of tomato sauce on top, and at this point we'll add our filling. So it's really whatever you choose or what you have available. In this case, because we're doing vegetarian, we have squash and some pumpkin and some mushroom and ricotta, but you could add meat here if you want. You could do eggplant or zucchini or whatever you feel like, really. Put a layer of those. Okay, and then we top that with another layer of our dry pasta sheets. You notice we're pushing down just to make sure it's kind of compacted in there. And then we'll do another layer of the same here. So a little bit of sauce and then some veggies. And you don't want to make the layers too thick, I don't think, because then it just ends up being more like a stew than lasagna. If you wanted it to be really cheesy, you could add some cheese, like mozzarella cheese as well in this layer, but we'll just reserve our cheese for the top today. And how are we looking? Do you think there's one more layer, or is this it?
One more layer.
One more layer of veggies?
Oh no, one more layer, no veggies, just one more layer of pasta.
So you kind of have to gauge where you are in terms of your tray. The last layer will just be sheets of the lasagna, the pasta, and then we will top it with the tomato sauce and cheese. So again, press gently. You can use the back of the spoon to spread it out. The vegetables that we're adding also have already been cooked, and part of the reason for that is to make sure that you get rid of some of the excess liquid. If you were to add raw vegetables in there, I mean, it would still work, but it would be kind of runny. So now we're topping that final layer with some mozzarella, and then we're ready to go in the oven. And you would foil this usually first so the cheese doesn't burn. And what temperature are we baking this at?
325 for like 45 minutes.
Okay, there you go, 325 for 45 minutes, and at which point you can take off the foil and then finish it off to let the cheese get nice and melty and toasty.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!